In today's Tooltip Tuesday, I am going to show you how to create a double radius dresser roll and mount it into the dresser software of Toolroom. We open the dresser software from the Toolroom application window. Then we open the drawing of the dresser roll, which will have the nominal values, which name to be used to draw the geometry. In the dresser software, we open the dresser geometry so we can define the roll. We choose the position where it will be mounted. It is a secondary dresser roll, so dresser 2, roll 1. There we choose the profile which we want to draw. Opening the DXF draw software, we now define 2 vertical and 1 horizontal line. The parameters, the diameter and width are coming from the dresser drawing. This is provided by the manufacturer with the actual values from the roll after it's being manufactured. The width and diameters are slightly different to the nominal values, as the actual values are being measured by the manufacturer to be as precise as possible. After we drew the straight lines, we now insert the fillet with the actual radius size coming from the drawing. When done with this drawing, press OK to accept, another OK to get to the main window, and now we want to mount the dresser roll to the secondary dresser. Therefore, we need to qualify the dresser roll externally, meaning we have to measure the mating offset, which is the distance from the back diamond layer to the HSK flange. Once the distance is measured, we enter the value into the mating offset. Press OK to accept, and if it is not saved yet, create a .gds file which contains the dresser geometry. And here we go. The dresser roll is defined and mounted in the software. And now you can mount it physically onto the secondary dresser.